Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a galaxy painting on a wooden cutout of a deer head with antlers. So let's get to it. So as usual, we're going to go ahead and start with a little bit of purple. This will allow the blue around the edges to become more rich and dark. And so as I started applying the blue, I noticed that it was not dark enough to my taste. And so I added just a tiny bit of black on the tips of the antlers and the ears. Once I got that combination of blue, purple, and black right halfway down the antlers and the ears, I went ahead and started blocking in the rest of my blue. If you like this video and other videos on my channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. That really helps me out as a new YouTuber. And if you like to see something different, please comment below. While the paint is still wet, go ahead and grab some white and start working that in where you want your galaxy to be. This will give a good base for your stars later on. I wanted to make my galaxy clouds a little more intense, so I grabbed my filbert brush, added some fresh white, put it on the canvas, and then I started dabbing with a brush that you would find in your local hardware store for painting. I started dabbing it in a cluster-like motion just to give the illusion that it is cloud-like. Once I got the white where I wanted it, I wanted to add some more shadows. So I grabbed some blue and added it in some of the folds of the clouds. And I used the same technique with that bristle paintbrush that I got at the hardware store to really give an add depth. I continued to bounce back and forth between my white and my blue to really get the effect that I wanted. And once you are pleased with your background, you can move on to the next step. If you like items like this, you can find them available in my Etsy shop, listed in the description below. I mixed up a really loose concoction of white and blue, and I added plenty of water to make it run. Once I did that, I loaded up my small bristle brush and started tapping against another brush to give a splattered star effect. I then added white to that same concoction of white and blue to lighten the color up, and I made sure it was loose enough that it would splatter the same way, and I made another layer of stars, and then I added more white to that same concoction and did another layer of stars. This will give depth to your galaxy. Once this galaxy was dry, I went ahead and mixed up a clear epoxy mixture that would dry hard over the entire thing. I added some holographic glitter and I coated it. And so it gives it a really beautiful shine and shimmer. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all listed in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.